Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this here, that cool device for your home theater, the Beamer by Beauty Beam. It's a full HD 1080p mini beamer which can handle 4K videos, for example, with automatic keystone correction, mini projector with 180 degrees rotating. This video projector supports the 2.4 and the 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. It's a dual Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 with Android 11 or Operation System 11. It is compatible, so you can use it for your iPhone and for your Android phone to make the screen possible to show on your projector screen. And it's good for outdoor and home theater. Of course, outdoor only in dry environments because it's not waterproof. We have here a portable projector, powerful Wi-Fi, because this portable projector has a built-in dual-band Wi-Fi 6, 5G and 2.4G, and it is compatible and it works with Android 11. We enjoy seamless online streaming with no lag, perfect for our outdoor movie experience. 4K projector supports a high-resolution content smoothly, and we have a compact size and clear images. The mini projector offers a native resolution of 1920 to 1080p and supports full HD 4K inputs with a high resolution lumens and a projector ratio of 0.8 to 1. The LED projectors display colors films. Free to shrink and enlarge the screen and enjoy the 130-inch plus a large screen. Our happy home theater experience is with that device guaranteed, and quick adjustment of any screen. Thanks to the autofocus and trapezoidal correction, the projector can be put into operation within 3 up to 5 seconds. Easy get clear rectangular images on any projection screen. And we enjoy movies seamlessly and without ease. 6-axis flying mount remote control is possible. We turn the wrist freely to choose the target, very intelligent, of course. And multifunction smart projector. The smart projector offers an HDMI and USB and an audio port to connect to the personal computer, to the laptop, to the Fire Stick, to the television box, to our Xbox or PlayStation game console, USB flash drive, Blu-ray player, DVD player, and all HDMI compatible devices. Maximum compatibility for our conversation. And mobility and protection. The projector serves as a practical projector phone, as it supports the screen mirroring of Android and Apple smartphones. The docking station has a screw interface that can be mounted with a holder or on the wall. Ceiling projection, very practical. And we have a 180 degrees rotatable base. This allows for flexible arrangement and projection for floor up to the ceiling point. So you see this project here for beginners and enthusiasts can handle this. You have 1.2 meter of the wall, no problem. You get a 60 inches projector, for example. 1 meter 70, you will get a nearly 100 inches. And above that, you can go up to 130 inches. 130 inches screen. This is cool. 1.2 meter will be the optimal projection distance, of course, because it's a mini projector. But the other is, of course, possible. We have an ultra short throw because of this. We can make this easy peasy with 1.7 meter range and have a good job. With an 0.8 to 1 ultra short throw and a 1080p native resolution, an autofocus, and 200 of ANSI LM lumen, and a dual band Wi-Fi network connectability, 180 degrees free projection. It comes here with an high 260 Pro 4K support. This is brand new, and this is cool. We can have a Google Voice remote control. We can use it by using our smartphones. We can use it by using our next gen console, or. All is possible with that Beauty Beam a Beamer. It's a full HD 1080p mini beamer which you can use indoor and outdoor to make a nice home theater experience with that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!